made it. Just barely. Just walking in the gift shop, we're like, ah!
3, 2, 1, explode!
Day 2, second full day in London. We're doing something extra special today. Very excited.
Yesterday we had Greg's, now we're having Paul's.
Wow, that's good. When's the last time I had quiche?
We made it.
We made it. Just barely. No, we were okay.
It was a little complicated getting here, but we figured it out.
We used our brains on this beautiful London morning.
And we used our phones.
That's honest. We're in. Got our tickets?
Platform 9 3/4 this way.
Magical experience here with us today. Enjoy.
So, first impressions walking in.
This is epic already. I mean, we're not even on the tour, but like this is set up. This is set up nicely. You know, honestly, I was questioning, like, we only have a few days in London. Like, should we have booked this on such a short trip? And the second we got here, I'm like, this was a good idea. We love Harry Potter, and I think you just have to prioritize what you love. So I think we're doing it right.
Yeah.
Never seen it like this. Where you can buy it in a 4-pack like this. Oh. This is gonna be full of temptations for us. Just walking in the gift shop, we're like, ah! They've got butterbeer biscuits. I've never tried these. I'm dead.
So we got here in about 45 minutes from London. This is pretty far out from central London, and a lot of the traffic is just going through the city to get to the countryside. I'm glad we got here kind of early. Our tour doesn't start for another about 20 minutes, so we can explore the gift shop, get coffee. A lot of the souvenirs in this gift shop are unique and special and fun, but some of them are repeats from Universal Studios Hollywood that we've been to many times. So we'll just have to hunt for something like really unique and special for us.
What you got?
Maybe a mug for you.
We do need more mugs. Yes, Ravenclaw. We should get the set. I'm Ravenclaw, you're Gryffindor.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll snag the mugs on the way out.
I like that in Gryffindor, but I don't look good in red.
I think it depends on the shade. This like deeper one's okay.
You wait to the front of the group because I'll be asking you to help something very special in just a moment. As you can see, we are in the entrance hall to the castle. Come all the way into the only the Great Hall of Hogwarts. One of the longest standing and largest sound stages for over 10 years. Keep coming all the way in for me. Now, for our first special effect of the day, please come and join me over by the teacher's table. 3, 2, 1, explode! Indeed it is one.
And now our friends from the north, please greet the proud sons of Durmstrang. But to do this, the student must survive 3 times. And throw it in the flame before this hour on Thursday night. Who shall lead me?
It's embossed. It's hot ink.
Should we try this next thing?
It's like a cool forced perspective thing that they used in Harry Potter a lot, apparently, we're learning about, but also Lord of the Rings, make the tiny hobbits. Yeah, this should be really cool.
I'm a big lady. So fun to see the Umbridge costume. I want to be here for Halloween next year. We'll see if I pull it off. This is the first thing that's made me feel emotional today, coming around the corner and being in a whole new space with the Hogwarts Express. This is the kind of vibe I think deep down I was hoping for. Goal achieved. Anything off the trolley, dears? This has officially exceeded our expectations for the magnitude, the scope of this experience. It's endless, and we just made it through, I think, to the halfway point. Whoa. I think we get to go into some of the bigger props now.
Dobby understands. It's just that
was CGI or against green screen. To do that, we had to put the gold cars onto a 6-axis motion base.
Will you put my name in too?
Okay, we'll break the rules just this once.
I'm glad to get something like this after that tour. It was crazy. It was overwhelming. A Camden Town Brewery Pale Ale. That's delicious. It's a little sweet and malty and a little bit bitter, but it just tastes like a classic English pale ale.
Needed this after that tour. We loved it, like Isaac said, but by the end I was feeling hungry. We're excited to try some of this food. It's the golden egg, and it's so cool. One thing I was a little nervous about was this thought that, what if this experience is really similar to Universal Studios? Because we've been to the Wizarding World at Universal Studios Hollywood dozens of times, but I'm so happy to say that this was completely different. It was its own thing. It was this super deep dive into how all the movies were made, and that was so exciting to experience.
It's not a theme park experience. There's no rides. There's not really any shows. There's some interactive elements that they have people do for you, which are fun and really, really exciting and cool. But one thing I wasn't prepared for is how it's paced. There's basically 3 or 4 different zones, how you think about it. There's a beginning room that you go through, and that is incredible because you go into the Great Hall and you see Hagrid's hut and all these recreations of the sets, but they're the actual set. And then there's a middle section that has some outdoor areas, Night Bus and Privet Drive, and there's also, that's where the food court is in the middle. And they had mentioned that in the beginning, that there's this kind of beginning experience, a middle experience that has the food court and is an opportunity to take a break, and then a third experience, or like a third room. These aren't rooms, these are entire massive buildings you're going through. I feel like it was really front-loaded. Like a lot of the exciting things were in the first section. Great Hall was in the first section, The train was in the first section. So many costumes and iconic sets are in the first section. And so by the time you get to the middle and you want to take a break, you're kind of ready to blast through the third building or the third section. It did feel fast. The Gringotts part was really incredible and phenomenal. Diagon Alley was amazing. I wish I would have spent a little bit more time in there, but it's really hard to pace it. It's hard to guess how fast you should be moving.
It's almost like you're afraid you're gonna run out of time because you just don't know how long the experience is gonna go.
And we booked this experience through a tour company because the tickets can be very hard to get unless you book really far in advance. My speculation is that the tour companies will buy up batches of tickets, so you have to go through them if you wait. We waited about 2 weeks before we came to actually buy our tickets, and by that point, there were no tickets available. We had to go through a tour company. The kind of nice thing for us, though, is that the tour company included transportation.
We did decide to get the audio guide. I would definitely recommend, especially since they're only like £5 or £6 per guide, but that really helped add extra dimension and explanation because there is just so much to see, and it's nice to have a little bit more of a guiding hand in the experience, and just to like kind of see, you know, what's coming next. It helps you figure out what to focus on. And considering that this is a more museum style experience, if you don't get the audio guide, you're going to be reading a ton the whole time. So if you want to give your eyes a break, the audio guide is definitely the way to go. Final thoughts. I think hands down, if you're a Harry Potter fan, any decent sized Harry Potter fan, this is a must do. I can't imagine any other experience that will take you so deep into the world of Harry Potter, especially if you've loved the movies. And I can say for us, we have absolutely loved the movies. It is our yearly Christmas tradition. So finally getting to understand more about the process of making the movies has been incredible. Yeah, just take your time and enjoy it.